Good morning. It's Thursday, May 23rd, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar checks mainly clear across the state of Georgia. Had a little light shower trying to pop up over Gilmer County a couple of hours ago, but other than that, we are rain-free. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds today, but things are changing. We look out to the west, we see some showers and thunderstorms kind of fading out as they move from Mississippi into Alabama. So that's one sign that our atmosphere is just not quite right to get these storms developing, but that is changing fairly rapidly. We can see this with our water vapor imagery. The yellow color in southeast Georgia, that's fairly dry air in the lower levels, so that's why it hasn't been terribly humid over the last couple of days, but we are starting to see that moisture begin to build up. Northwest Georgia and then the southwest Georgia, we see the blues and the whites there, so that means that we are getting that water vapor beginning to move in. That's going to help some dynamic support to get these storms to fire up as we move later in the day today into this evening, certainly by tomorrow and this weekend. So yeah, things are changing. Our rain chances will be going up. Those thunderstorms will be returning as well. Taking a look at our temperatures, we're in the upper 50s up in the North Georgia mountains, mid 60s over a good part of the northern part of the state, even in the middle Georgia, and low 70s in South Georgia. So here's our severe weather outlook for today. We do have a level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk for North Georgia. Does cover North Metro Atlanta, and then right at Rome, right at Athens, and then north of that up into the mountains. That's our yellow color there. General thunderstorm risk in the green for a good part of the state. This is mainly going to be later this evening and into the late night hours tonight. And then for tomorrow, we extend our level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk southbound pretty much to I-16. So I-16 north, level 1 out of 5 severe weather risk. And then we'll hang on to that level 1 out of 5 again on Saturday, and that pushes just a little bit more toward the south. So most of our severe weather will remain in north and middle Georgia. South Georgia just not quite going to have that dynamic support necessary to get things going. So let's take a look at our modeling as we move through the morning hours. See those showers coming in from Alabama. Again, Rome and northwest Georgia, the atmosphere is pretty good to keep those showers going, so we'll see that as we move through the late morning hours. Then things get pretty quiet around noon today. Here's 1 o'clock. Things are pretty quiet. And then we start to build up a couple more showers again later on around 5 o'clock or so. Middle and South Georgia, just isolated showers. Most of us won't see anything later this evening for South Georgia, Middle Georgia, but a few of us will. And then as we head towards 7, 8 o'clock, here comes more activity in North Georgia. See those thunderstorms building up. Again, a few of those could be strong to severe. Strong straight-line winds, hail will be our main threats of these storms. Can't rule out a spin-up tornado, but the tornado risk is fairly low for this system. As we head toward midnight, still those thunderstorms rumbling across North Georgia. 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, overnight tonight. Still looking at a few showers there. And then fairly quiet as we get started tomorrow morning. But tomorrow is going to be a little bit more of an active day. We'll have a little more humidity, a little more heat to add to that. So we'll see those thunderstorms start to develop once again. Again, northwest Georgia, we'll see it first right around noon, and then continuing to rumble across the state there, mainly north of I-20 by 2 p.m., but beginning to drop southbound. Looks like we have a little line there developing and some pushing this line down south of I-20 as we head towards 6 o'clock tomorrow, 7, 8 o'clock. See those thunderstorms beginning to move down towards Georgia coastline, and thunderstorms likely in southwest Georgia as well by tomorrow night. So again, the main deal is going to be just going to continue to build up our rain chance as we head into tomorrow and then heading into your Memorial Day weekend. Not a complete washout this weekend or on Monday, but just dodging showers and thunderstorms throughout the state. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.